Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: during RT of a butt weld, the radiograph shows elongated slag inclusions parallel to the weld axis. The most probable cause is. So here you can see question 63. See, I have taken this question from my website www.weldingandnd.com, and it is question number 63 in the website. So this is question number 63. I have taken this from my website weldingandentry.com. Now during RT is radiography testing. So during RT you absorb elongated slag inclusion parallel to the weld axis. The most probable cause. So what could be the most probable cause of the slag inclusion? Option one is incorrect exposure time. Option 2 is inadequate cleaning between two passes. Option 3 is excessive root gap. And option 4 is overlapping of films during exposure. Now, slag inclusions are occurred because of what happens when you weld the slag or the flux of the covering of the electrode. They usually, what happens, they melt with the electrode, and it is not able to come out of those the molten weld pool, so the slag is formed. Secondly, if you are doing welding, after one run, if you will not clean the slag, and if you will start second run, then that the slag present in the previous run will also be able to come as a slag inclusion. Now, the correct answer in this among the four answers is inadequate cleaning between the passes. If you will not clean the joint and if you will start welding, then the slag will be trapped and it will form, or it will it will look as a slag inclusion. So explanation is written here. If you want, you can pause the video and read. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Joining is very easy. After subscribing my channel, you can join also. Thank you very much.